Welcome to the SPIN Funding Database tutorial, provided by the University of Buffalo's Office of Research Advancement. SPIN is a funding database available to all of UB's faculty, staff, and students. In this tutorial, I will provide a background about the SPIN Funding Database, as well as the benefits of having a registered SPIN profile. We will review the steps for signing up, and I will provide you with a demonstration of how to register for a SPIN profile. The SPIN Funding Database was developed by InfoEd Global. It is a curated, comprehensive, regularly updated database. It contains over 40,000 funding opportunities from federal, public, and private sponsors, from major sponsors like NIH and NSF to smaller sponsors and various foundations. SPIN has opportunities for many applicant types, from students of all stages to individual faculty. To make the most of SPIN, the Office of Research Advancement recommends registering for a SPIN profile. Doing so will give you access to a lot of customization features not available without a profile. SPIN is available to all UB faculty, staff, and students to use. You just need to register using your UB email address. Signing up for SPIN is easy and can be done on or off campus. Registered users can set up and save database filters or search preferences. Save searches, set up and save daily or weekly email notifications, and create bookmarks of specific funding opportunities. To register for a SPIN profile, simply go to spin.infowedglobal.com. Here, you will need to create a new profile. When off campus, you will see Institution. Please insert University at Buffalo. Provide your first and last name, your email address using your University at Buffalo email, and a unique username. State you are not a robot and hit Submit. A designated SPIN administrator will review each profile request. We ask for you to allow up to 24 to 48 hours for approval and longer over holidays.